Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this paint spray system. It is an 800 watt powered electric paint spray gun with 1400 milliliter container. For example, for a fans, it's a paint sprayer for fans out there with 5 nozzles and 3 patterns of paint sprayer. HVLP electric spray gun for a garden, for fans, for walls, for furnitures, with a high performance HVLP paint spray system comes the Lutranstra 800 watt high power and 1400 milliliter large capacity electrical paint sprayer with a fast cooling system. That means more durable, alive. We turn the flow regulator to change the flow from gentle to strong easily. The maximum spray flow can reach 1200 milliliter per minute. That's a lot. This design increases work efficiency, reduces working time, minimizes labor intensity, and meets the requirements for flow and atomization for different jobs. And we have 5 pure copper nozzle and 3 spray patterns. The paint spray is equipped with 5 spray nozzles: 0.8mm, 1.2mm, 1.8mm, 2mm, and 2.5mm. Made out of pure copper. Nozzle and the core are not easy to rust for most painting yard projects, such as furnitures, fences, walls, ceilings, doors, windows, etc. It can be adjusted to 3 different spray patterns: horizontal, vertical, and circular, so that it is for a variety of applications scenarios. And easy to use and easy to clean, as you can see. The paint spray system can be easily assembled and disassembled without tools. Even with our beginner, we can easily start after watching that video, for example. It also comes with a cleaning brush and nozzle needle to remove the hardened paint in the machine. We clean the device immediately after use to ensure normal use next time again. And it's a device for wide application. The Lutranstra paint sprayer is suitable for the most painting jobs around us, such for the walls, for furnitures, for fences, decorations, cabinets, crafts, ceilings, doors, garden tables, and chairs, and so on. The maximum spray viscosity of this spray gun is 120 DIN per second, and it is suitable for a variety of materials such as diluted latex paint, stains, chalks, sealants, and varnishes. Of course, they recommended dilution the paint to less than 60 dni per second and regulation the strong spray flow to achieve the high efficiency. And the paint sprayer looks really cool and professional. With the 800 watt electric spray paint gunner, you will be the big boss. It's a painter alive and improve our work efficiency. We have a trigger switch and union nut, which is to remove the air cap and the nozzle without tools. We have a container seal press and 1400 milliliter container for the paint. We have the motor housing, which we can separate from the other parts of the device. We have a flow control meter for valve, 800 watt strong high-speed motor, 5 nozzles, 1400 milliliter large capacity container, 120 DIN as maximum viscosity, 3 spraying patterns, AA insulation materials, lightweight and easy to operate, and effortless trigger press. Ultra really cool. We can make a circulation for 45 degrees, or a hot sand horizontal 90 degrees, a vertical for 180 degrees. And we have a flexible flow control. We turn it for a clockwise for more flow. We turn it anti-clockwise for less flow. It's really easy to disassemble. So we dilute as needed and measure with a viscosity cup, which is included. We pour the paint into the container. Then we replace the proper nozzle as we like it. We switch the air cap to adjust the spray patterns. Then we adjust the suction tube based onto the spray angle, and we squeeze the trigger to use it. After use, we can disassemble and clean it for wall, chair, fence, shutter, building, ceiling, doors, equipment, cars, parking lots, cabinets, and a lot of more, which need a little bit of color. Really cool because it's so easy. It is easy peasy to use that device. We adjust the flow rate. We can spray a pattern with settings, nozzles. We can adjust it easily, and we can use it. So cool. For an optimal result, it is essential to prepare the surface to be sprayed and adjust the paint to the proper viscosity before using the spray gun. We ensure that the surfaces are free of dust, dirt, and grease. We use the high quality masking tape to cover areas not intended for spraying. The paint or the spray liquid must be thoroughly mixed and free of lumps or particles. Many paints are formulated for brush applications and needed thinning before using them with a spray gun. It's easy to thin them, and then you can use it in the spray gun. A waterborne coating, for example, exhausting time will be 20 up to 45 seconds out of the container. Or a solvent-borne coating, 45 up to 50 seconds. If the paint takes more time than recommended, the duration to empty. Further dilutions is needed. Some materials might have clumps and particles, so we strain them before filling the paint in the can. We choose the right diluent based to whether the material is water-based or salt-based. For water-based paint, we use aqua-based diluent. For solvent-based paint, we use solvent-based thinner. And then you can start and make a good job with this paint spray system here. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun sun!